Modalyst versus SaleHoo, which is better for beginners in dropshipping. If you're a beginner looking to get into dropshipping, you've probably heard of both Modalyst and SaleHoo. But which one should you choose to start your dropshipping journey? In this video, we'll break down the strengths and weaknesses of both platforms, helping you decide which is the best fit for your business goals. But stick around, because by the end of this video, I'll share a surprise recommendation that might be the best option for you. Let's start with Modalyst. First thing you'll notice is that Modalyst has a strong focus on connecting you with high-quality suppliers, especially if you're interested in fashion and lifestyle products. It's integrated with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce, making it a seamless experience to set up your online store. The ease of integration is definitely a plus for beginners who might be overwhelmed by technical setup. However, the selection of products can be a bit limited compared to other platforms, especially if you're not in the fashion niche. And while the platform is relatively easy to navigate, it's worth mentioning that there are some additional fees for premium suppliers that might add up over time. Next thing is SaleHoo. SaleHoo is more of a directory for wholesale suppliers, offering access to over 8,000 suppliers worldwide. This is great if you want more variety in your product selection and want to explore different niches beyond just fashion. What's also beneficial is that SaleHoo has a larger focus on the educational aspect, offering guides and training for beginners. So if you're a complete newbie, this could be really helpful. But SaleHoo comes with its own downsides, namely the subscription cost. The $67 annual fee might be a bit steep for some beginners, especially when compared to Modalyst, which has a free plan with limited access to products. Additionally, SaleHoo doesn't integrate directly with platforms like Shopify, which means you might have to do some manual work to set up your store, making it less beginner-friendly. The third thing to consider is the customer support offered by each platform. Modalyst has a decent support team with resources like live chat and email, but it can sometimes be slow to respond, especially when you need help urgently. SaleHoo, on the other hand, offers more comprehensive support, including phone support, which is a plus if you need direct assistance. However, both platforms could definitely improve when it comes to providing more robust tutorials and live training for beginners. Next thing to compare is the pricing structure. Modalyst offers a free plan with access to a small selection of suppliers, which is good for getting started without committing any money. But if you want access to more suppliers, you'll need to opt for their paid plan, which can cost up to $35 per month. SaleHoo's pricing is more straightforward with a one-time fee of $67 per year, but as mentioned earlier, this might be a bit expensive for some, especially when you're just starting out. Now let's talk about the final thing you need to consider: scalability. If you're looking for a platform that can grow with you, Modalyst could be a better fit long-term because it has integrations with larger platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce. You can easily scale up as your store grows, but you'll need to make sure your suppliers' prices align with your growth. SaleHoo, while a solid option for getting started, doesn't offer as much in terms of integrations or advanced features for scaling up your business. So, both Modalyst and SaleHoo are good options for beginners, but they have their trade-offs. Modalyst is more suited for those focusing on fashion and lifestyle products, and if you want a simple platform that integrates well with your Shopify store. On the other hand, SaleHoo is great if you want more product variety and a stronger educational foundation. But here's the thing, after trying both of these myself, I found that there's a better alternative out there for beginners in dropshipping. If you want a platform that offers not just a good range of suppliers, but also seamless integration, better scalability, and unique benefits for you, then you should check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, this will give you a much smoother start to your dropshipping journey.